Hi, it's Trisa from Anjurisa. Today we are making something super useful, a phone pouch that you can take anywhere. It's a simple project, even if you're a beginner, and you will love how practical it is. There's a front pocket to hold small items like cards, keys, or earbuds. And we'll add a strap so it's easy to grab and go. Let's get started. Let's start by choosing the materials. For the main pouch, I recommend using a sturdy fabric like canvas. It gives the pouch structure and durability. For the lining and front pocket, you can use cotton fabric. It's easier to work with and comes in so many beautiful prints. Here's what you will need. Fabric for the pouch, front pocket, wristlet, 2 zippers, one for the pocket and one for the pouch, one D-ring, and one swivel hook. Don't forget your basic sewing tools like scissors, pins, iron, and a zipper foot if you've got one. We'll start with the front pocket. Here are the 2 matching pieces. We'll set them aside for later. Take the 2 smaller front pocket pieces and fold each in half, right sides together. Press the fold and open it. This gives you a clear center line. Place the zipper with the zipper head on the left side, lining it up with that fold line. Sew the zipper along the edge. Using a zipper foot will make it easier. Open up the fabric. Then take the other piece and repeat the same step on the opposite side of the zipper. Place the zipper right on the folding line. Open up the fabric and top stitch both sides of the zipper for a nice clean look. Optionally, you can add a decorative label now. I'm placing mine right on the front pocket, being careful not to catch the fabric underneath. For this part, I'll switch back to my regular presser foot. Next, take the 2 fabric pieces we set aside earlier. Place the pocket with zipper on top, right side up. Then sew around the fabric. Lay the second piece on top, wrong side up. Sew along the top edge only. Press the seam open. Fold the layers neatly and top stitch the top edge. Now take one of your main pouch pieces. Place the finished pocket on top, lining up the bottom and sides. Sew around 3 edges, left, right, and bottom. Leaving the top open to function as an extra pocket. Your front piece is now ready. Next, we'll make a fabric tab to hang the wristlet. If you'd rather not to have a strap, you can skip this part. Fold your fabric strip, press it flat, and sew along both long edges. Thread it through the D-ring and place the tab on the left side of the pouch front. You can prefer to place it on the right too. Let's put the pouch together. Place the lining piece right side up, zipper right side up, with the zipper head on the right side this time. Then place the main fabric wrong side up. Sew through all layers. Use your zipper foot again for this step. It makes sewing zippers much easier. Flip and repeat on the other side. Lining right side up. Zipper right side up. Main fabric wrong side up. Sew all layers together. Now flip it open and press if you want. Then top stitch along the main fabric edge. Just on the main fabric, not the lining. Before we sew everything close, unzip the zipper halfway. This makes it easier to turn the pouch right side out later. Match the two main fabric pieces together and two lining pieces together. Make sure everything is aligned, especially the seam beside the zipper. Optionally, you can add label inside the pouch if you want. To keep it hidden, place it between the lining pieces. To make it visible from the outside, place it between the outer fabric layers. Sew all the way around, leaving a small opening in the lining fabric. Switch to your regular presser foot. Trim the corners to reduce bulk. Just be careful not to cut through the stitching. Turn the pouch right side out through the opening. Tuck in the raw edges of the lining and sew the opening closed. Tuck the lining fabric inside the pouch. Last step, let's make the wristlet. Fold the fabric strip toward the center. Then fold it in half and press, just like making a strap. If you're not adding a wristlet, you're done with your pouch. Otherwise, let's keep going. Get your swivel hook ready and slide it onto the fabric. Then bring the fabric right sides together and sew the short edge. Open the seam and refold the fabric along the press lines to hide all raw edges inside. Top stitch along both long edges. If you enjoy making pouches like this, be sure to check out my Etsy. I have lots of beginner-friendly patterns with multiple sizes in one design. The link is in the description. You'll notice the join line where the ends meet. Slide this part near the swivel hook and sew across the strap to lock it in place. Sew exactly on the seam line for a clean finish. Now clip your wristlet onto the D-ring. And your phone pouch is finished. There you have it. A cute and handy phone pouch with a front pocket and wristlet strap. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe and like this video for more beginner-friendly sewing projects. See you in my next video, and as always, happy crafting!